Are your policies simply being noticed, or are they truly understood and followed? It's time to rethink how you approach compliance. Let's explore how you can turn policy awareness into meaningful action, making compliance seamless and effective. Have you considered centralizing and making policies easy to access? A great way to start is by housing all your policies in a single, centralized location. A well-organized and searchable repository ensures employees can quickly find what they need without confusion. A clutter-free system is the first step toward better compliance. Clear communication is undoubtedly key. Policies should be clear, concise, and easy to understand. Policies are constantly changing, it's important you update the recipients. Make it easy to notify or send reminders to employees. Say goodbye to excuses like, "I didn't receive it," or "I wasn't aware." Everyone will be up to date, all the time. It's not enough to share policies, you need to confirm they've been seen, understood, and agreed upon. Automation can simplify this process, reducing manual tracking and making compliance effortless. This "work smarter, not harder" approach minimizes miscommunication and ensures everyone is on the same page. Policies are more effective when employees understand their purpose and have the opportunity to provide feedback or ask questions. Creating an open feedback loop fosters understanding and collaboration while reducing resistance. The good news? If your organization uses Microsoft 365, SP Marketplace have built no-code applications built on the Power Platform to help with, basically, all of the above. Employees are familiar with using tools built on the SharePoint and Microsoft Teams interfaces, so training is minimal and automation is made simple. What more could you want? Contact us via the link in the description to see it in action.